Aki, my loves. More birthday to come. Stay healthy and enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Love ya. Hi loves, happy birthday. Ano ba? Wag puro topak na. Love you.
Hi loves! Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. God bless. Ingat ka palagi dyan. And thank you sa love niyo ni Frenny sa akin. Ayan, stay strong sa inyo ni Frenny and more birthday to come. Ayun nga, loves. Ingat ikaw dyan. And ayun, dito lang ako for you sa inyo ni Frenny. Kahit puro kayo away ng friend ko. Support ko kayo and love ko kayo. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Love.
Hi, Aki. Happy birthday. Stay pretty, stay happy, and God bless you always. Then, happy Valentine's too. And that's all, folks.
Happy birthday, Habibti Aki. Wish you all the best and stay pretty. Shoot, paras wala tayo February and happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy life and mag-iingat ka palagi. That's all.
Hi, Aki. Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Hi Aki, happy birthday. Keep shining, always smiling, and wishing you happiness, love, and success. More birthday to come and more blessings to come. Always take care, okay? God bless.
Hi Aki, happy birthday. Wish you have more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. May God bless you abundantly this year at your career. Hope your birthday is more joy and laughter. And do the things that make you happy. Again, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Aki, gorgeous Aki. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health in life. Enjoy your day and God bless. Happy Valentine's also. Love lots.
Hi Aki, happy birthday to you and sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Stay pretty, stay manyak, pakasarap ka lalo.
Hi Aki, happy birthday. More birthday to come. God bless you. Stay healthy.
Hi, happy Valentine's baby Aki. And happy birthday. Wish ko good health and ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Hi Bess, I just wanna greet you happy birthday. Ayun, mag-ingat ka palagi. Andito lang ako for you as your rant person and sometimes kasama sa mga kalokohan mo. Ayun, God bless you Bess and alam mo naman, andito lang ako to support you.
Hi, baby Aki! Happy birthday! Una sa lahat, kakantahan muna kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko sa'yo, Aki, is more blessings to come and more candles to blow and good health. Gabayan ka po palagi ng Panginoon at nandito lang kami nagmamahal para sa'yo, Aki. And now on, happy birthday again and God bless you always. Mwah! Mag-ingat ka po palagi sa work mo po at sana huwag mong pabayaan yung sarili mo kasi nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Ang daming nagmamahal sa'yo, Aki, and happy birthday again and bye! Enjoy your day!
Hi Bunso, happy birthday. So, wish ko kapag lahat ng pangarap mo tapos huwag kayo away niya pag tuminggo kayong dalawa. At ingat lagi, huwag mag-aalak masyado, huwag gayahin si kuya. Ingat palagi. Love you Bunso. Ingat. Happiest birthday. Bye.
Hi Tita Aki, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day and I wish you have a long life smile, and happiness. I pray to God will grant you a long life and a good health and more birthday and more blessings to come. Enjoy your special day. Take care of yourself, and also I pray to God's will protect you and save you every day. Once again, happy birthday. Mwah.